Harbor View Drive. Here you go, dear. This is a clean sweep right here. That's the way you're supposed to get it done, right? We'll get a recap of this real quick, just to see how good we did. Here. This is the way I think she wanted it done. I did this over the phone. I had some stakes up. I just followed instructions very well. Stakes right there. And there you are. Totally open to the garage, and then again around and down. That's what you get. This is a steep, tricky, little windy, not gonna lie. Even on the road. How I go up and down the roads. That way it's done correct. You know, she's lit up. There we go, everybody. That's a beautiful one. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks.